Hello students, in this video I will show you how to calculate the 5-number summary and how to create box and whiskers or box plot. So the data in front of me represents the ages of a sample of CCA students, 20 CCA students. The first thing I will do is to create the box and whiskers, because when you create the box and whiskers you automatically come up with the 5-number summary. So to do that, I'm going to highlight my data and then go to the Insert tab at the top and then go to the histogram and pick the box and whiskers. Now I want to display the numbers on the box and whiskers, so I will go to the plus sign and I will check data labels. This is calculated using the exclusive method, that is excluding the median. I want the inclusive method, so I will double click on the blue box. A dialog box should open up for me and I will click inclusive instead of exclusive. Now let me stretch those numbers a little bit so you can see. So as you can see, the minimum is 18, the maximum is 35, and we have the first quartile is 20, the second quartile is 26.5, the third quartile is 29.25, and there is an outlier right here. So I'm going to say minimum, I'm going to say Q1, the minimum is 18, and I'm going to say the maximum, I will remove the outlier, and I'm going to say the maximum is 35 in this case, because I want to build the box. And then Q1 is 20, Q2 is 26.5, and then Q3 is 29.25. So that is how you're going to calculate the 5-number summary. If you choose to put maximum is equal to 69, that is correct as well. You can do either way. We can stick to what we have here and what we see, and we say, well, the maximum was calculated as 35 because 69 was an outlier. Or we could say 69 is the maximum. So the outlier is going to be 69. As you can see from here, the outlier is represented with a dot. So this is how you're going to create the box and whiskers, and please include any outliers in the picture that you're going to draw. If I ask you to come up with the upper fence and the lower fence, IQR is equal to the third quartile minus the first quartile, and then I can calculate the upper fence. The upper fence is basically the third quartile plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. And then the lower fence is equal to the first quartile minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So as you can see, the upper fence is right here, somewhere right here, and that's why 69 was considered an outlier, while the lower fence is basically below 18, so that's why we don't have any outliers from the bottom. So this is how you're going to come up with the 5-number summary, the outliers and the upper fence and the lower fence, and create the box and whiskers or box plot. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in a different one.